Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will explain you how to install Linux Ubuntu via VirtualBox application on your Windows operating system. In the previous tutorial I already explained how to install the VirtualBox, so if you haven't already looked at the tutorial or if you don't know how to install the VirtualBox, take a look at the previous tutorial. The first thing we need to do is open a browser and type Ubuntu download. Then click on the download button. I'm going to cancel my downloading while I recently downloaded it. Click on New. Name of your virtual host. Your Ubuntu ISO file is in your downloads folder after the download is complete. Now, when VirtualBox is open, choose how much physical memory of your Windows host you want to share with your virtual machine. Half should be the maximum. I have enough powerful machine, so I will assign 6 GB of RAM. Create a virtual hard disk now. VD. Dynamically allocated. (20 GB hard drive). Now click on settings. I prefer to choose bidirectional. Then later you can copy files from your host machine to your VirtualBox. Optical drive and hardware that we need. CPU. I have 8, so I can choose 4. That is okay. Display 128 megabytes. 1 monitor. 100%. Enable 3D acceleration. Now storage empty. Then choose or create a virtual optical disk. Add. So Ubuntu. Choose audio network address translation or bridged adapter. Bridged adapter have a separate IP address, and the network address translation protocol is the same, the IP from your Windows host. That is okay. Now I'm going to start installation. The installation takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Now choose Install Ubuntu. Keyboard English. I have German keyboard. I prefer to choose normal installation and don't download updates while installing Ubuntu. That I will do later. I will pause the video now so you don't have to wait. The installation is now complete, and the first thing we need to do is install an update and a few things to make the system run faster and more stable. But at first, restart now. Close the window, power off machine, OK. Then start again. Skip. Next. Done. If you want full screen mode, then you need to install Insert Guest Additions CD image. Then enter. then power off, start again. Now open the terminal. First command sudo su, then you can run the root user. Cd and first command apt get update. It's a command that's checked to see if our system is up to date. Then upgrade our packages. Last time when I have installed Ubuntu VirtualBox virtual machine on my VirtualBox, I have chosen downloading updates when installing Ubuntu, and the installation took about 2 hours while my internet connection is slow. Now I will pause the video so you don't have to wait. Now I'm going to install Preload. Preload is an adaptive read ahead daemon, and what it does, it speeds up application load time by monitoring the software that is loaded and use it every day. And the software used most often he puts in memory to make them available very quickly. The more RAM memory you have, the better the preload will optimize the system so that everything works smoothly and without problems. Mlocate, this command will allow you to simply search for a file or folder you want to find. This command we need for simple management in our network. And now reboot. But at first, Check Ubuntu Software Center. And also important, software updater. Here you can choose when you want to install your updates, additional drivers. When you have, for example, an NVIDIA graphic card, then you can install additional drivers. Ubuntu server download from server for Germany. Well, I'm in Germany now. And your password, of course. The installation is now complete. Restart now. Your system is now ready to use. Thank you for your watching.